Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by spotting the bases and writing everything with consistent exponent notation. This prevents mistakes later. Once done, group like bases together so you can apply the product rule a n equals a m plus n. Make sure to convert roots to fractional exponents, for example square root to exponent 1/2, because that turns root rules into exponent rules and keeps the process uniform as you proceed. You now use the central laws, add exponents for multiplication and subtract for division, which simplifies expressions quickly. When raising a power to another power, multiply the exponents to collapse nested exponents into one. This reduces complexity and reveals cancellations. Also convert negative exponents by flipping numerator and denominator so every exponent is non-negative. This makes combining terms and comparing like terms straightforward as you move toward the final simplification. You finish by collecting like bases and ensuring every exponent is in its simplest form, then rewrite reciprocals for negative exponents to present the expression cleanly. Once simplified, verify 0 and 1 rules so nothing collapses unexpectedly. A 0 equals 1 and 1m equals 1. If something looks wrong, check for misaligned bases or lost factors. Common troubleshooting. Re-expand a suspect step to see which exponent addition or subtraction went astray and correct that single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.